Sound of the
Van Aaron.
Cyrus locked up in his feelings. 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 When I look back at my life to the past, there ain't nothing real that I done gotten right. Every time I fail, every time I fall, when I'm on this path, I just stop and I just fumble hard. Is this how it feels to be stuck with karma? Now I want some peace, I cannot see how I battle with the knife, I don't sleep till I have fucking nightmares. Now I just realize my life is like a graveyard of failed dreams. You can see through the picture I'm painting. Now maybe I deserve all the pain that comes with it. I am praying that every my heart is bleeding. Nobody see this, nobody believe. No time to be me. Cannot stop drinking, cannot stop thinking, cannot stop sinking into this deep sea of this disbelief. Am I a misfit? Am I the real deal? Am I some shit still? Let me start writing. Let me start ripping these verses there in my crisis. Let me start feeling this heartbeat, what my eyes have seen. It's time for me to be renting out glasses. Cyrus locked up in his feelings. Cyrus locked up in his feelings. Cyrus locked up in his feelings.
Van Aaron.
I'm a terrible friend, unbearable mess, saturated with unquenchable thirst for edible death. Lately I've been skeptical when I'm ethical then, seeing all the end loop where I went in the clear. I wanna shed a tear of joy, fuck it. I miss my chance with joy, but see, it's just for the best, of course, country. You can tell yourself the words funny. I can't even preach to other people that have been a minister, and I'm here writing silly rhymes on the thoughts. Sitting night, they just come at me all at once, and I try, but I can't fucking win the fight. Here I stand, bleeding out, fuck, my bleeding out, I've been caught out on the floor with the kitchen knife, and I am eating out like Moses, like a sick boy in school, yet inside I'm skipping class. Fair weather friends who I burn bridges with. I don't run from fast, we all live in Sin City. Many was ahead, they all talk secretly. Maybe I was wrong with my words speaking shit. Everyone has a story, this is one of mine. See, you don't even know me, I have my first down. Let me tell you straight, this is not a weak point that you can't use against me, I'm destructive.